go to the layout. We have a default layout. Let's make a new layout. A new layout is created. Let's close this attribute table, so our area will be a little bit bigger. In the layout, let's add our map trace, so that go to the map frame. From insert, go to the map frame and click the map. Our map is added to our layout. So to move this, we need to right click and activate. Now we can easily move our map. Place it here. Now from this map frame, let's go back to the layout. When we are happy with the location of our element, that is map frame, we can lock this from here, so that we will not accidentally move this thing like this. So let's lock it. Now it's locked. We cannot move this right now. Now let's add the heading or title for our map. Go to the element and insert your text. Let's make it land use and land cover map. And add a north arrow and also a scale bar. Let's make it a little shorter. Little bit shorter. If we want to make the unit of this scale bar to the round number, that is 1, 2 or 3, we can change some settings. So click on this and go to element and select the properties of the scale bar, and fitting strategy, let's make it adjust number of divisions, and division value, let's make it 1. That's it. Now we have our round figure numbers. Now let's add the grid and coordinate values. So that we need to select the map frame and go to the insert and new grid. Let's select this one. We have successfully added the grids and coordinate points, but we need to fix the spacing a little bit, so that let's unlock our map frame and make it a little shorter, so that we will create some room for the coordinate values. It looks okay now. Now we want to remove the inside grids. We will only allow the coordinate points and tick marks. So label and ticks, no inside the grid lines. For that, let's click on this grid, go to element, and you need to select the components, and from the components, let's click on the grid line and remove this. Our grid lines have been removed. Now let's insert the legend. Draw the legend. Now let's make it in one column. We do not want the name of the layer, so that click on the legend and go to the elements, and legend items, click on show properties, and let's turn off the headings and also layer name. And we need to click the only show features visible in the map, so that all other values this will go away. Now it looks nice. In this position, if we are happy with our map, we can export. For that, go to share and export layout. You can export as PDF, GOTIF or JPG. Let's export as JPEG. Let's rename this as LULC and export. View exported file. This is our final land use and land cover map that we have digitized.